Hello everyone, this is Diego Saldivar, the Neuro game developer. I have been working on my job for the past month, and I've been also able to reach the small little goal I set for myself, which is to create a graphic user interface that allows the player to understand how the game is taking their brain input and translating that into a game mechanic. So at the beginning, I wanted to have some sort of bars which told the player, okay, you are concentrating this much, or you are this passionate or this poised. But early tests with my fellows showed me that it's just not very informative. It's not very intuitive what that's supposed to mean. So I created a different system where you have two flowers: a rose, which blooms as you become calm but concentrated, and a narcissus, which blooms as you become much more passionate, enraged, but still concentrated. Okay, here we are, basically, as you can see. Um, Now let's start really getting angry. Very angry. And there you go, the daffodil just blooms with that anger, with that passion. All right, now let's go very, very calm. Let's calm down. What is that sphere doing? It's going. Why are you going away, sphere? Don't go away. There we go. As you calm down and you concentrate, your peaceful mind makes the rose bloom. And if you can keep that kind of concentration, because here's a problem of concentration. If I could just concentrate, that flower would, there, bloom completely. There we go. And I know it's a very quick and small update, but it just works. It really reacts to your feelings, and I think that that's a very good first step. I used a series of embedded ifs to make mathematical sense of the input I'm receiving from the crown. Once I was able to tweak it, then things started becoming a bit more fun. Since the feedback is just intuitive, it just allows the player to understand, oh yeah, this game understands how I feel, right? And for my next milestone, I want to put a dialogue system in place which uses this scoring system. So basically, you can have 1 of 5 scores depending on your mental concentration and how calm or not you feel. So the more concentrated you are, you can go from 0, 1, 2. And the direction in which you go just depends on whether you're calm or not. So you can go into -2 to be very passionate and just be able to use this emotion in the game. Or if you're very relaxed, very calm, very peaceful, then you can go all the way to 2, not -2, but 2. And then I could use this to be able to buff some dialogues, or maybe to be able to use as maybe values to be able to manipulate your opponents in dialogue. First, I want to see if the dialogue system works and if I can just input this extra data into the dialogue system to open certain dialogue options. I hope to have that somewhere before the end of the year, but if that's not the case, well, have a happy new year. As you may have noticed around my channel, I'm changing my branding. I think that Neuro mod games may not be very relevant right now, since I am not really using neuromodulation, but rather just neurofeedback. So I want to start reinforcing my brand as a neuro game developer, since that seems to have a bit more traction with the community on LinkedIn and the gaming community. So you may expect next year to see a bit of a change in colors and design and things like that. But yeah, the channel stays here. Just changed its name. And then we'll continue developing not only Neuro games, but the Neuro game developer brand as I continue growing my portfolio. I hope that you have had a very good year. Otherwise, let's hope for a better next year. I'll see you around. Do take care. Bye bye.